Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a slow motion video using Photo Booth Upload. So I already have Photo Booth Upload running, and the very first thing I want to do is access the settings, and I'll click S on my keyboard to get into the settings screen. Now because we're making a video, we'll want to make sure we click on the video tab, and we'll also want to make sure that the disable video checkbox is unchecked. Now what we'll need to do is we'll need to click on the add video button. And under video mode, we're going to select slow motion video, and we're going to set a recording duration. So I'll just use 5 seconds for this example, and we'll need to create a video segment, and we can click the plus symbol and we can create a video segment, and we could start the time at 0 and end the time at 5 because that's our total recording duration. And this is where we can adjust the speed, and we can decide how slow or fast we want the video to play. So for this example, I'll just set this to 30 and I'll click on OK. And so basically what I've set up here is a video segment that plays the entire 5 seconds at 30%. Now alternatively, I could delete that video segment and I could add a new one, and I could say from 0 to 1 second play the video at 100% speed, and click on OK, add a second video segment and say from 1 to 4 seconds I'm going to slow it down to 35%, add a third video segment and say from 4 to 5 seconds it's going to play at 100%. So you can see how this is working. You can see how I can change the speed of the video or the segment of the video within this 5 second video. So let's just keep these settings as is, and I can click on OK, and that's really all we need to do. Now we can just click on OK to get out of this screen. Now the video button should appear down at the bottom. We can click on that, and we have a 3-second countdown, and we can just record our video. Okay, it's going to process the video. After it's done processing, we can share the video, or we could just click on done, and that will kick us back to the beginning where we can record a new video. So that's how you set up Photo Booth Upload to do slow motion video. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@photopartyupload.com, or you can call us at 310-817-0998. Thank you.